Okay, then give her the pill. Give her the pill. Okay, you want to give her this piece too? Okay. Give her that. Oh, you're stepping on it. Oh, it's stuck in your foot. Okay, that's it. You want to throw this away?
Yeah.
Shove it in there. Okay, good boy. Now close the door. Good boy. Now go get dressed.
Can you wave to Nani? Can you say hi, Nani? Say hi, Nani.
Say up. Say up.
Can you say Papa? Can you say Papa? No? Smile.
These are for adults.
Adults, yeah.